Okay, a little bit about this ball joint I removed. Remember we had a excessive, it was hanging like this, and we had excessive play, and as you can see it's moving up and down in the cup, but it's hanging like this. The other thing you'll notice is pretty much worn out grease. Even though I threw some grease in there the month before, took care of the squeak for about a month, but then it started mixing in. You can see it really looks like sand and grit. So there's two problems there. We had this excessive overplay, and you know, so there you go. So yeah, so you could see how it's just moving just like that, and you can see all the grit. So there you go. That's how you tell.